Yeah, today's topic is writing rational numbers between given two rational numbers. Okay, so you can actually think, what are, see, we have already learned what are rational numbers. You can check the previous videos. The definition of rational numbers is the numbers which are in the form of p by q are called rational numbers. For example, if I say, this is just an example, okay? You take any integers, whole numbers or natural numbers, okay? Integers, let's take integers, okay? I am writing here minus 5 to 7. Write integers between minus 5 and 7. If I say like this, what will do? 0 will be in the middle, right hand side positive, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 so on, and here minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4 minus 5 minus 6 so on. So what are the given integers he has given? Minus 5 and plus 7. So how many integers exist between minus 5 and 7? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. So these are the integers between integers. Just listen, okay, are integers. If I ask write the integers between minus 5 and 7 means the answer is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. There are 11 integers exist between minus 5 and plus 7. Okay, this is the answer. But when I'm talking about rational numbers, do you know how many natural numbers exist? Do you know the last biggest natural number? Do you know at least how many natural numbers are there? No. So unlimited, like imaginary, we don't know how many numbers exist actually. So those many numbers or else rational numbers exist between 0 and 1. Okay, 0 and 1 are also rational numbers or not? Yes. From 0 to 1, how many numbers exist? Which number? I'm talking about rational numbers. If I say how many whole numbers are there between 0 and 1 means whole number starts from 0 to 0, 1, 2, 3, so on, whole numbers. How many numbers are there between 0 and 1? Nothing. When I'm talking about whole numbers. When I'm talking about even integers also, between 0 and 1, you don't have any integer. And even if I talk about natural numbers also, I don't have, do you have any number between 1 and 2 in natural number? No. 1 after 2. There is no natural number between 1 and 2, right? So, here we are not talking about whole numbers, integers and natural numbers. We are talking about rational numbers. Right? Rational numbers between given two rational numbers. I'm saying that, how can I say? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on, and here minus 1, so on. If I say between 1 and 2, how many rational numbers exist means many. Okay, infinite. Here also between 2 and 3 also there are many. For example, if I say, for example, 1 by 2 is there. Okay, 1 by 2 exists between 0 and 1, right or not? 0 is less than 1 by 2 is less than 1. Yes. Again, between 1 by 2 and 1 also, there are some numbers which exist between 1 by 2 and 1. In another case, if I take any example also, I am taking an example. Let's take an example, then you'll understand. Okay. Now, I am taking here 1 by 2 and 1. Okay, example. How many rational numbers exist between 1 by 2 and 1? I am saying many. Okay. So, teacher, what is the proof? There are many numbers exist between 1 by 2 and 1 means? Okay, I'll explain. 1 by 2 and here what is this? 1. I can say 1 as 2 by 2, 3 by 3, 4 by 4. I can take any number, right? So I'm taking 1 by 2 and 2 by 2, or else 3 by 2 also you can, 3 by 3 also you can take. Okay, if I say 1 by 2 and 3 by 3, 3 by 3 is nothing but 1, right? So I'm taking 1 as 3 by 3. Now you need to compare. You need to learn how to compare rational numbers. I told you already. Comparing is nothing but only to like fractions you can compare. Are they like fractions? No. So convert into like fractions. So what are the LCM of the denominators are 2 and 3. What are their LCM? 2 into 3, 6. Now convert this 6 as denominator. 1 by 2. First number is 1 by 2. 2 already exists. Already is there in denominator. So what I'm doing, I'm multiplying with the 3 by 3. So what is the answer? 3 1s are 3, 2 3s are 6. So first one I have written like this, and second number is 3 by 3. Already 3 by 3 is there. So I want 6 as a denominator. So I'm multiplying 2 by 2. So 6 by 6. 2 3s are 6, 3 2s are 6, 3 2s are 6. 6 by 6. Now write these two numbers in one place. 3 by 6 is first one. 3 by 6 is nothing but 1 by 2 or not? 3 1s are 3 2s are 1 by 2. So I have written 1 by 2 as 3 by 6. Okay, 3 by 6 and 6 by 6. Now when you have denominator same, you can write them as, you can say that they are like fractions. Now after 3 by 6, what will be there? 4 by 6, then 5 by 6, then 6 by 6. Now how many numbers exist between these two? 2. Right? Again these two also there are many. If you write, if I say next, I'm taking these two now. Okay, 5 by 6 and 4 by 6. Now 4 by 6, 5 by 6, both are like fractions, but you feel that after 4 by 6 there is no other number. So what I'm doing here, I'm multiplying, dividing with the 10 by 10, and here also multiplying, dividing with 10 by 10. So 40 by 60 and 50 by 60. Now are they like fractions? Yes. Am I changing the value? No. Now 40 by 60, 41 by 60, 42 by 60, 43 by 60, 44 by 60, 45 by 60, like that, 49 by 60, like 50 by 60. Now how many numbers exist? 9, right? Again between 41 and 42 also you can check, there are more numbers. Again you can say, again multiply 10 by 10. So what you'll get? 410 by 600 and 420 by 600. Now after 410 and 420, what, I mean, how, between these two numbers, which numbers exist? 411 by 600, 412 by 600, 413 by 600, like that, 420. Again between these two also, again you can write some more rational numbers. So all these whatever I have written exist between 1 by 2 and 1 or not? Yes. Yes, are you able to follow me or not? So 1 by 2 and 1. So if you go on right, you will find infinite rational numbers between given two rational numbers. He won't ask you how infinite numbers. Write all the infinite numbers between 1 by 2 and between 1 by 2 or 1, or else any two other rational numbers. You know, you need your whole life to write that infinite rational numbers. Okay, even your life is also not enough. Even if my life also, if I include your life also, if I include and go on find out the rational number, you will get more and more and more and more and rational numbers. That is not, he won't ask like that. He will ask, write any five rational numbers between given two rational numbers. So what I want to explain here is, you take any two numbers, 3 by 5, 6 by 7. Okay, these two are rational numbers. So between these two numbers, between these two rational numbers, infinite number exists, but he will ask you to write only 5 or 10. How to write that? Let's take the same example. Okay, 3 by 5 and 6 by 7. How to write rational numbers between given two rational numbers. What is this? 3 by 5. Question 3 by 5 and 6 by 7. Now look at this. I want to write rational numbers between these two. Okay, between given these two rational numbers. So how to write? Simply you need to check whether they are like fractions or not. If they are not like fractions, convert them into like fractions. How to convert? It's very easy. We have learned in our 7th class. We go on done the same thing in whole 7th class. Okay, so how to convert them into like fractions? First you need to take the denominators, LCM of the denominators. Okay, what are those? 5 and 7. 5 is a prime number, 7 is also a prime number. Okay, so simply you can multiply directly. Okay, 5 7s are 35. Now you need to convert both denominators as 35. So first number is what? First rational number is what? 3 by 5. So already 5 is there in a denominator. So I want to multiply 7 so that it will become 35. 7 5 is 35, right? So 7 by 7 I am multiplying. So what is 7 by 7? 1. If I multiply 1 with any other number, the result will not change. So that is why I am taking 7 by 7. So multiply 3 7s are 5 7s are 3 7s are 21, 5 7s are 35. Okay, next keep this aside. Okay, what is the next rational number? 6 by 7. Already 7 exists in denominator, so I want to convert that as a 35. So what I need to multiply? 5 by 5. 6 5s are 7 5s are 30 by 35. Now take these two numbers in one place and 30 by 35. I have converted these two as like fractions. Now both are like fractions, both the denominators are same. Now you can write down whatever, the next rational number. 21 by 35, 22 by 35, 23 by 35, 24 by 35, 25 by 35, 26 by 35, 27 by 35, 28 by 35, 29 by 35, 30 by 35. Now what are the rational numbers between 21 by 35 and 30 by 35? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 8 and if he asks write 10 rational numbers between these two, means only you have written 8 here. So how to find? We don't have 10 here. So what you need to multiply? Again take 21 by 35, 30 by 35. Multiply with the 10 by 10 on both. Okay. Now what is the answer? 210 by 350, 300 by 350. Now you can find more than 10 now, right or not? So he won't ask you more than 10. At least he will ask you what are the rational numbers between given two. How many are there? 8. Yes, you can write even more than 8 also by multiplying 10 by 10 on both the sides. Okay, clear, understood? Thank you.